Hello Bats, and welcome back to my channel. I am the Honey Bat if this is your first time here. Today we have the Smooshy Mushy Sugar Fix. This is Series 5. They come in these adorable little gumball containers. I cut the tags off. This is what they look like. It tells us what's inside. So we're going to be getting a smushy pet, a mystery bestie, a sticker, a scratch card game, a mini gumball container, and of course the giant one that they come in. There are 8 animals to collect. We have a giraffe, a little rabbit, a unicorn, a hedgehog, a deer, a little octopus, and then I think this one's a seal. This is the one that I want the most. It is a little bat. It is a rare one though, so we're gonna see if we can find it, but they all look really cute, so whoever we get is going to be just fine. So here is the front of our gumball machine. I have cut us a little spot to rip the plastic. And now we can see this little candy on the front and our blind bag in there. So we're gonna twist this off. And there's all kinds of little goodies in there, but we are gonna focus on this first. Oh! All right, I don't see a tear strip, so we're gonna get our handy dandy scissors and snip that open. And we have a really cute one in there. We can see some glasses. This is a little hedgehog, and they have little candy cane striped glasses. I have no idea what the scent is. I'm thinking maybe chocolate, but I'm not quite sure. Here's our slow rising little Smooshy Mushy. And we're gonna go ahead and push its face in. Down in here, we're going to find our other surprises. Here is our little mini gumball machine. The red gumball machine came with a little red gumball machine, and if we open this one up, we have our little chains in there, a red one and a pink one, to turn our Smooshy Mushy friends into keychains. We have a second blind bag, and I'm going to see if I can just rip that one open. And we have a little lollipop. It's a little bit bent, but we'll give it a few seconds to puff back up. This one has a bow on its head with little polka dots and a little heart-shaped eye patch. Here is our sticker. This is Haley Hedgehog, and there we can see the little bestie that we got with her. And this looks like it's going to be our scratch card. Inside our little plastic bag, we have this little scratch card bingo game. And this looks like it's going to be a checklist. So this is Libby Lolly, and the little bat that I really want to find is Belinda Bat with Dottie Delish. Looks like a little marshmallow. Down here we can see some of the other Smooshy Mushy products like their babies. There is not a bat, but we do have a little elephant there and a little chicken. I really like the chicken. On the back we have a little Spot the Real Smooshy Mushy game. So since we got the hedgehog, we are going to compare it to the little pictures. So there's not a red bow, there's not a little berry, and that means that our winner is going to be C down here. This is a match. Here is our little bingo scratch card. So the first thing we're going to do is to scratch off our little peppermints up here. Once we scratch off all of the color card, we're going to match these pictures down here and see if we can get bingo. So I'll do that really fast and be right back. And after we scratch all of those off, we have bingo here and here. The next one we're going to do is this pink one here. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew the top bubble. Gonna hide all of that so we don't see who we have. And we're ready to cut this one open with our snippers. And we found the little bunny. This is Bitsy Bunny, so a little yellow bunny rabbit with a little pink heart candy that says love, a peppermint, and a little bit of chocolate dripping down onto its bow. This one kind of smells like strawberry, if I had to guess. I don't see the scents listed anywhere. And for our smush, I really like the way that these ones feel, and they don't rise too quickly or too slowly. Inside we get our scratch card, which I'm going to let the baby bats do. Our pink mini gumball machine with a pink and red chain in this one as well. Gonna hide that so we don't see who our mystery bestie is. And we're going to see who we have. And we have a sweet little candy. This is Tiffy Taffy, and it has a little red bow there. So I really like that one too. Here is our sticker from the bottom of the container that shows our Smooshy Mushy and the little bestie. We have 2 gumball machines left. I think we're gonna open up the blue one next. There's our checklist and our bingo card. And here is our Smooshy Mushy. Let's see, if we're not gonna find the bat, I'd love to find the unicorn or the deer, but they're all really cute. Oh, we found the giraffe. This is Jillian Giraffe, and Jillian is blowing a bubblegum bubble right there. She has little peppermints on the side of her earmuffs or headphones, depending on what you want her to be. And we're gonna squish her down, and it really looks like the bubble is coming out at us. We also get a miniature version, and this time the colors are orange and purple. And we're gonna pull out our little mini bestie here. Carefully cut that open with our snippers. And our character is a little lollipop. This is Porter Pops, so it's a little grape lollipop with 2 eyes and a mustache and a big red bow there as a bow tie. Here they are together, and they both smell like they might be grape. Again, I really wish that the scents were listed, so I'm trying my best. Here is our sticker of Jillian there with Porter, and it looks like they are running really fast. Our last gumball machine is the purple one. So we're gonna open this up, take him out, and see who our last one is going to be today. And we found one of the ones I really wanted to see. This is the little deer. This is Felina Fawn. And she is a really slow rising one. She has 2 little lollipops on her head with a little purple candy bow. And she also kind of smells like strawberries if I had to guess. Here's our little miniature purple gumball machine, and our colors are pink and red again. Scratch card and checklist. And here is our little mini bestie. We have a little bubble gum. This is Gracie gum. So we thought maybe it would be bubblegum scented, but it's not. It still smells like grape, just like Felina. So here they are together. And the last thing to pull out is the sticker from the bottom. And here they are. Here's a final look at all the Sugar Fix cuties that we found today. Who is your favorite Smooshy Mushy, and who is your favorite mystery bestie? As much as I love the little fawn, Felina, I have to choose Haley Hedgehog. I really just like the way that this one feels. And for my favorite mystery bestie, I really like Tiffy Taffy over here with the cute little bow. So don't forget to leave me your favorites down in the comments below. And while you're down there, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. It lets YouTube know to show my channel to more people, which I really do appreciate. Until next time, my fellow bats, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.